current lesson. Okay, now yes, and one more small lesson is there, that is on the 8th lesson in our SA1 examination. And tomorrow and after tomorrow we are going to conclude about that lesson. Okay, clear or not, all the students? Yes, and from that one also the questions are may came in your examination. Okay, now don't confuse, and till to Monday, whatever the lessons are completed, up to that there is our questions are coming. Our examination questions are may have. Okay, once we are going to discuss now the keywords, whatever the keywords, cell, battery, fuse, series circuit, parallel circuit, bulbs in series, bulbs in parallel, tube light, and as well as the compact fluorescent lamp, miniature circuit breaker, yes, watt, circuit diagram, yes, heating effect of current, and switch. These are only the keywords are there. Already we have discussed it. What is the cell? Cell is one of the electric device which convert the chemical energy into the what actually chemical energy into the electrical energy. That is only this. The battery is nothing but combination of cells are only called the battery. Both are not same. No. Battery is different from the cell. Okay, now cell is nothing but you know very well ammonium chloride, carbon rod, this carbon and ammonium chloride and zinc. These all chemicals are convert their electrical energy into their chemical energy into the electrical energy. That is only called what cell. And what is the battery then? The battery is nothing but the combination of cells. Okay, clear or not all of you? The combination of cells is only called the battery. Clear or not all the students? All this one, yes. Yes, there is a battery is nothing but combination of more than one cells are only called battery. That is the difference is there between battery and the cell. Next to come to here, the fuse. You know very well. What is the use of fuse? Yeah, the fuse is one of the conductor of electricity which is not allow the excess current from the external circuit to the internal circuit. Otherwise, the one circuit to the another circuit. It melted when there is a high current may come through it. Okay, clear or not all the students? When the high current comes through the one battery, one particular circuit, automatically that is loss its connectivity. That is only called what? Electric fuse. Clear or not all the students? And now we are going to discuss one more concept, that is only series circuit. Already you know very well what is the series circuit. What is the series circuit, students? There is a what? A positive terminal is connected to the negative terminal. The negative terminal is connected to the positive terminal of the battery. That is only called a series connection. Plus is connected to the minus, minus is connected to the plus, plus is connected to the minus. Okay, like this connection is called what? A series circuit. Okay, clear or not all of you? Suppose you take a battery here, the battery is contain negative terminal here, and it is contain a positive terminal, and this negative terminal is connected to the, again the positive terminal. Yes, like that it is connected through up to here, like this is here called what actually? Yes, series connection. Got it or not? Next to come to here, our parallel circuit. Parallel circuit is nothing but what? Common terminal is connected at the common point. Common terminal is connected at the common point. That is only what we are taking. Here there is a positive terminal. It is a positive terminal. Here it is a negative terminal. This negative terminal. It is a become positive. It is become the negative. Why? Because these components are positives, these components are negatives. Like this it is called what? This is only called as a parallel. It is called what? No, it is called a parallel. Series and bulbs in parallel. These are batteries are series and batteries are what actually? Yes, a parallel. How we connected the bulbs? Suppose you take electric bulb or like this. Okay, now this is the symbol of electric bulbs. You know very well. Yes, there is. It is called a series connection. There is. It is a first terminal, second terminal, first terminal, second terminal, first terminal, second terminal of the bulb. Otherwise, you connected like this. It is called a parallel connection. Okay, clear or not, all the students? Here connected like this. It is only called a parallel connection. Yes, this is a 1, 1, 1. This is a 2, 2, 2. Okay, like this it is a called a parallel connection. I hope you got it. It is only parallel. It is only called a series connection. Yeah, and this is a parallel and series connection. Now listen carefully here, all the students. What is that next component? What we are taken here? Tube light. Which one is called tube light? Which one is called the compact fluorescent lamp? You know very well. In the normal bulb there is a what filament will be available, but in the tube lights and as well as in the fluorescent bulbs there is a no filament. Okay, clear or not, all the students? Actually it will be working based on the gas undergo the ionization and the ions are moves from one place to another place, and that is only coming in the form of a light for us. Okay, already we are discussed that is energy transition is occur between the one level to the another level. Because of that only there is a electricity will be get for us in that both the lamps and as well as the tube light. Next one is MCB. Already I am shown you that MCB is like a fuse only, but a fuse is every time we have to remove that wire. But MCBs automatically they adjust themselves for the heating of the current. When there is a more heat is coming in the circuit, automatically they going into off. Okay, clear or not, all of you? When there is again it will be on, electrical current may comes in that. Okay, clear or not, all of you? Now that is only we are getting in the form of what actually? Yes, now it is getting in the form of our whatever our MCB. Now you come to here watt. Which one is called watt? Which one is called watt actually? Which one is called watt? What is a watt? Watt is nothing but what you know. It is a unit of power. Unit of power. The watt is unit of power. Okay, clear or not, all of you? Power is nothing but what? Power is equal to work by time. It is a what? Work by time. It is only called a power. Okay, now? Yes, for a time how much work is done, that is only given here. That will be called as what actually? Watt. I hope you got it. Yes, this is only called what? A watt. Yes, and wattage is measured the how much work, how much electrical work is done due to our power whatever we produced, electric power we produced. For a time it will be provide that information. Clear or not, all of you? We produced electrical power. Due to power there is somewhat work is done. The work done is given by which one? The work done is given by our this wattage or this formula only. I hope you got it, this information. The next component it is here. Yes, what is that? Circuit diagram. Yes, you know very well. Which one is called the circuit diagram? Yeah, whatever the electrical components we are used in our electrical circuit. Okay, clear or not, all of you? That will be drawn in the form of a diagram by using the electrical symbols. Okay, that is called electric circuit. I hope you got it. Whatever the components we are used, electrical components we are used in our draw in the form of a symbols, that is called as electric circuit. That is called as electric circuit. Okay, clear or not, all the students? Suppose you have to take a batteries. Okay, now batteries are written in the form of what? Like this, it is called a battery. Clear or not, all the students? And now there is a what we have taken a bulb. Bulb is taken in the form of this. Suppose you want to take a switch, you have to take a switch in the form of this. This is only called what? Electric circuit. This is only called as electric circuit. I hope you got it. This information, electric circuit. Okay, now yes, the symbols whatever used, this is only called electric circuit. Yes, that whatever consumers, whatever the components, whatever the instruments we are used, whatever the devices we are used, that is symbolically connected in such a way that connection is shown in the form of a symbol with a proper arrangement and a proper connection, that is only called electric circuit. Next to come to here, heating effect of a current. You know very well already, yesterday also we are discussed, when the current is passes through the conductors or semiconductors or insulators that are opposites initially, that opposing property of electric current of a substance is called what? Resistance. Due to the resistance, the substances are heated. The electrical substances are heated. Okay, clear or not, all of you? Yes, that heat may emerge from it. That is only called heating effect of current. That is only called what? Heating effect of current. I hope you got it, all the students. These are only the keywords. One more last thing is there, switch. Switch is used for us for open the circuit or close the circuit. For open the circuit or close the circuit. It means what? We want to not provide electrical current to the circuit. At that time we are using the switch. In case we on the switch, automatically there is all the electrical consumers are in the circuit are may working. Okay, in case we are off the circuit, that electrical components are may not working. This is only about what actually. This is only about the switch and electrical circuit. Okay, and all the keywords whatever contained in our keywords of our lesson. Next, come to here. There is a question and answers. Listen carefully, all the students. What is the question and answers are there here? Yeah. First question answer. Once go through that first question answer. What is the first question? It is there here. Draw the symbols of the following electric component. Yes, there is a what the symbols are given. Listen carefully what the symbols are given. First symbol is about what actually? It is a cell. Cell is in which form? This is a cell. Okay, clear or not, all the students? There is a cell. And next one is a battery. The battery is different from the cell. It is a combination of the cells are only called the batteries. Already we are discussed. Either main series or main parallel. It is called a battery only. Next come to here switch. The switch are nothing but may like this it is also there. Okay, now or may like this also there. Okay, clear or not, all of you? It is also called a switch. There is a both are switch only. Okay, clear or not, all the students? Now the next come to here electric bulb. The bulbs are may like that we are taken the bulb. It is a bulb. These are the symbols for our electrical component. That is the first question answer. Come to the second one. Here what is that? Draw an electric circuit diagram consisting a cell, a bulb and electric switch. Okay, clear or not, all the students? I hope you got it. It is draw an electric circuit diagram consisting a cell, a bulb and electrical switch. Okay, like this you are already so many times you drawn. This is a cell and this is a bulb and there is a what we have takes here. There it is a what one switch. Okay, clear or not, all of you? If you connected it is switch and it is a box. This is a switch. Otherwise the switch may like this also. It is called a tap key, not tap. Now we are going with the another component, that is only is connection of bulbs. Yes, if one bulb falls Why do all the bulbs go off? You know very well. In the series connection of the bulb, suppose we have taken this is a circuit for a series connection of the bulb. Okay, clear or not all the students? This is only the series connection of the bulbs. In case one bulb is a half, okay, clear or not all of you? There is a circuit is become open. Now there is a from the negative and it is a positive. Okay, now from the negative charge the connection is there, but the positive charge for this connection is not there for this bulb. And for this bulb, there is a from the positive charge the connection is there, from the negative charge there is no connection. Okay, clear or not all of you? Means what? One bulb is a half, the remaining is also become half. Why? Because the circuit is become open. Okay, clear or not all of you? Yes, this bulb is works as a switch in another form. Yes, the switch is now open. Automatically it is not work the remaining things. Yeah. Write the difference between series connection and parallel connection. There is a what is the difference between the series connection and parallel connection? The first thing is in the series there is opposite terminals are one is connected with another one. The first terminal is connected to the second terminal, or positive terminal is connected to the negative terminal, or negative terminal is connected to the positive terminal. That is only called a series connection. In that parallel connection, there is a whatever our common connections are, common terminals are there. That common terminals are connected at one common point, another common terminals are connected at another common point. That is only called what actually? That is only called as a what it is? That is called as a parallel connection. I hope you got it this. And the next to come to here, the next concept that is only next difference is in that a parallel connection, one consumer is not working, the remaining all consumers are working. Okay, clear or not all of you? Suppose one bulb is not working in a parallel connection, the remaining all are working, but in series connection not like that. One is off, remaining is also half only. Okay, clear or not all the students? Suppose when you take here our whatever our okay, got it all the students? Now in case we are takes as whatever our parallel connection. Suppose you take a parallel connection, there is our whatever our bulbs are not there, they are not in a brighter, but in our series connection it is a brighter. When you take there is our batteries are in series, bulb is a glows brighter, but when the batteries are in parallel, the bulb is not a changes, it's a brightness. Okay, clear or not all of you? I hope you got it here. There is a when you take a as our batteries are single cell we are taken, our bulbs are in a series, the battery are works less time only, but when it is in a parallel, the batteries are work the same time. Okay, clear or not all the students? That is only we are taken for here. Yes, for our whatever our series and parallel, whatever series and parallel changes, series and parallel connection changes. Okay, now and the differences here, differences of the series and parallel connection. First thing is the definition. Second thing is about that the consumers or works are not. Third thing is about the brighter or not. Our bulbs are brighter or not. That is only you have to take here. Okay. Yes, and if possible, one more thing also that resultant energy of resultant electricity is due to the series connection is sum of individuals. Okay, clear or not all? Fourth point in the differences, resultant energy, electrical energy which is coming due to the series is sum of individuals. But for in a parallel, there is a which one is a maximum, that is only become the resultant energy. Okay, clear or not all of you? This is only fifth one. Okay, now fifth question answer. Fifth question answer here. What is the fifth question answer? We are taken here. What is the advantage of the miniature circuit breaker, that is MCB? Okay, clear or not all of you? What is the advantages of miniatures MCBs? Yeah, it is not allow the overheating into our electric circuit. It is not allow the excess amount of electricity into our electric circuit. It is automatically adjusted itself. It is for the electric circuit changes, and as well as it is also used for the what circuit breaking, and as well as no need to change every time the fuse like a thing. It is automatically adjusted itself again. Okay, once again I am repeated here. What is the things? First thing is about it is not allow the excess amount of electricity into the circuit. It is not allowed the electrical heating. Okay, clear or not all of high heating of electricity in that our consumers. Yes, and as well as it is not melted like a fuse. It is just breaking electric circuit. It disconnected electric circuit automatically, and again manually we are again reconnected that electric circuit through the MCB. It is manual possibility is there and automatical possibility also there. Clear or not all the students? Yes. Here it is only the main advantages of MCB. Next, fill in the blanks are there here. What is that? Longer line in the symbol for a cell represent positive terminal. Longer line like this, it is represent the what? It is a positive terminal. And next, B, smaller line in the symbol is represent the negative terminal. It is represent the negative terminal. Next, come to here, the combination of the two or more cells is called a battery. The combination of two or more cells are called as a battery. Next one is D. Safety device used in electric circuit is MCB or fuse. There both are. Okay, clear or not all of you? The device used to close or open a circuit is called switch. The fourth answer is a what? Switch. D. E is a switch. And next, seventh one, makes the true or false the statements. Here in series circuit, electricity has only one path. Yeah, it is a true only. In the series circuit, electricity is along the only one path. This is also you have to write in the defenses. In a parallel circuit, there is a different paths of electricities are there. Okay, now for a series connection, it only contain a single path in electric circuit. Now come to here the B. In parallel circuit, the electricity has more than one path. Yeah, it is contain the more than one path. It is also true only. Yes, to make a battery of a two cells. Okay, clear or not all the students? To make a battery of a two cells, the negative terminal of the one cell is connected to the negative terminal of the another cell. Okay, clear or not all of you? Here, once again, to make a batteries of two cells. Yeah, it is a correct only. No, it is not a correct. The C is a wrong. We want to make a battery. You should compulsory connected the like this only. It is only called what? A battery. Understood all of you? Yes, it is not possible to connect. It is in a what? Negative to the negative here. Okay, clear. Now it is only. It is a false. D. When the electric current through the fuse exceeds a certain limit, the fuse wire melt and it is a breaks. That is a correct true only. You know very well. Fuse work is that is only. When there is exceed amount of current may comes, automatically the whatever the wire conductor is there, electric conductor wire is there, that is a melts and total circuit is become breaks. This is also true only. Next, the switch is used to close or open an electric circuit. The switch is used except to C, all are true only. All the questions are true only. Next, come to here, eighth one. Choose the correct answers. Okay, clear or not all the students? Choose the correct answers. Arun views 4 bulbs, 15 watts, 40 watts, 60 watts and 100 watts. Which one should be used in his room as a night bulb? Okay, clear or not all of you? Yeah, it is a night bulb is nothing but D. Answer is D. That is a what? 100 watts. Why? Because the 100 watts bulb is given the more glow. That's why it will be used as a night bulb. Okay, clear or not all of you? Yes. And next to come to here. Second one. Device used to close or open an electric circuit is called a switch. Answer is C. Answer is C. You know very well that is. Eighth one. Which one of the following is used as a for light source? Okay, now cassette player, not it is a light source. Electric mixer, it is not a light source. Yes, and rice cooker, it is a heating effect. It is a provide. Table lamp, yeah, it is used for the light production purpose. You know very well. Lamp is a converted heat energy into light energy. The heat energy comes from where? Electricity. Yeah, now come to the fourth one. Safety device used in electric circuit is. Safety device used in electric circuit is which one? Fuse. Okay, now not electric bulb, not a battery. Electric bulb is a consumer. Battery is a electric source. Switch is it is used for on or off. But fuse is a safety device. Why? Because excess amount of a current is coming in the circuit. It will be break that circuit. In this way, it will be used as a safety device. Next, to come to ninth one. Yeah, about the ninth one, it is already I am given for you. That is how to prepare electric bill. Okay, clear or not all of you? Once you check in your room or otherwise in your friend's room or other relative room, once you are asked to them how much wattage are there for the bulbs and all the TVs. Okay, on that one way it is contain that wattage information. Okay, clear or not all the students? Every consumer is a contain wattage information. How for how many watts? Okay, now it works. That all the information may contain inside it. Okay, now you take that wattages and afterwards you write how many hours are work for it and you prepare electric bill for it. Okay, suppose 1000 watts are there, it is a work for 10 hours. Okay, now how many watts is the consumed per a day? 1000 watts. It is a 1 kilowatt hour. Okay, clear or not all of you? And it will become as a 1 unit. Already we have discussed yesterday also that all the problems how to calculate the electrical bill. Okay, clear or not all the students? I hope you got it this. Now, 10th one, draw symbols for electric components. Already we drawn. Okay, now before that only here the cell is like this. Okay, now next one it is a bulb is nothing but you know very well the bulb is like this here bulb. Okay, clear or not all the students? And as well as the electric switch nothing but you may like that it will be taken, yes, or otherwise may like that it will be also possible to take. Okay, clear or not all the students? That is only there is a switch and a batteries, you know very well. This is called a battery. This is called a battery. This is a plus and this is a minus. This is only about the batteries. These are the whatever the symbols of electric power circuit. Yes, draw the circuit for the following. Okay, now yes, whatever the diagram is given for that one, we have taken a circuit. Clear or not all the students? We have taken a circuit for the diagrams. Okay, clear or not all of you? What is the diagram they are given all of you? They given like this cell and here we are taken the bulb. Bulb is in a glows manner. That's why here it is in a series. That's why it is in a glows. Like this it will be there and no switch in there. That's why no need to mention the switch. This is only the circuit diagram equivalent to the given 11th question answer it is. It is the 11th question answer. Now come to here the 12th question answer. Okay, now what is that? Match the following is there here in the 12th one. What is the match the followings are there here? Okay, now here cell. Okay, what is the given? First one cell. What is the cell here? In this one, a device which is a convert chemical energy into, it is a E. It is a E, first one. Second one, okay, now what is the second one? Switch. It is a safety device used in electric circuit. That is a B. Okay, now 2 is a B. 3 circuit. That is a what actually? Yes, circuit means what? It is a symbolic representation of our electrical component, a complete path for the flow of an electric current. That is only called electric circuit. That is a C. Third one is a C. And now the miniature circuit breaker. It is a what actually? Sorry, second one is A. Sorry, students. Second one is the switches here. Second one is the switch. It is a A. Sorry, used to open or close the circuit. Miniature circuit breaker, reset by hand, circuit becomes a complete once again. That is only here what it will be taken, reset by hand. Okay, now circuit becomes complete once again. Okay, there is a what? The fourth one is a D and the fifth one it is a A. Okay, clear or not all the students? Fifth one is nothing but fuse here. Sorry, fifth one is a B. Fifth one is a B. It is a open or close the circuit. Okay, in this way only you have to write. Yes, the cell is nothing but device which is a convert chemical energy into electrical energy. Switch is nothing but it is a complete. It is a what actually used to open or close the circuit. Okay, clear or not all the students? And circuit, that is a what? A complete path for a flow of electric current. That is a C. And now there is a miniature circuit breaker, that is a D. Reset by hand, circuit becomes complete once again. Fuse is nothing but it is used to open it is a safety device used on electric current. In this way, there is our lesson is completed for all the students. This is only about a question answers. Simple question answers are only there. 12 question answers are there. In that one, there is so many of multiple choice questions, and there is a true or false are only there. Okay, now this is the simplest lesson and important lesson for your future. Okay, now yes, don't neglect this. All the students, our examination from the 11th onwards, you know very well. This time also online examinations only there. From our science, there is a 50 questions are get for you. Okay, from these 8 lessons. Okay, except 6th lesson. 6th lesson is not there. Okay, in your syllabus. Why? Because it is removed from our syllabus. That's why it is not there in our lesson. Okay, now there is 7th and 8th is also there. Tomorrow onwards we go with the 8th lesson. 8th lessons till to Monday, whatever completed, up to that you get it in our examination. Okay, clear or not all the students? Yeah, we are discussed so much revision till now. Already now today also we revised our lesson. I hope there is no revision is required. If required on Saturday, I am taken a revision. If you have any doubts on our total throughout topics. This time there is a lot of syllabus is there for your examination. You read once again. Okay, now you require more time to cover all the topics. Okay, now not a question answers are there, multiple choice questions are there. That's why you concentrate on every component of a subject. That's why you prepared well for this exam. Okay, now yes, don't waste your time. Okay, thank you students.